Hello guys, back to another video. Today I'm showing you how to make a chasing monster. Like if you run up to it, it starts to chase you, but if you leave the area, it just plays an idle animation. I don't have an idle animation for this character, but if you want to create an idle animation for the character, you can. So I'm using Hellish Niv here for Abandoned Vin 2. By the time I recorded this video, the game's not out yet. But my God, what's this freaking out? But by the time this video is released, Abandoned Vin 2 is already out. Because I don't want to release this before, because it spoil characters, and I don't really like to do that. So what I did is I just created an actor called a BP enemy AI. I double clicked it. I went to the mesh here, and you could change this to whatever you want. Like I could change it to this thing. I also change it to Vinvalara, but I changed it to standing run forward, which is Hellish Niv. I made it negative 90 degrees and all the same scale, so it's not like uneven like that. It looks weird and goofy. That's not good. So if you have a character like me here, you can do this like 10 as the location. Some people do like negative 85 if there's like a mannequin, like maybe like Vinvalara. See like how it's inside of there, but she's just not scaled. But mine's gonna be 10. So now what you want to do is you want to click the add button and do pawn sensing. This is like if it's gonna see us. See, this is like its range of sight. Massive, huh? Actually, not really. So you could change this to like wrong one. Sight radius. This is how like so you could also do like see pawns. It could hear noises. Like if you want to make like a doors fan game, you could do figure. You could do like disable see pawns, only see pawns in this sensing updates, and just have that enabled. But yeah, there was one thing I was gonna change. I forgot what it was. Just no. I'm not doing C++. I'm doing blueprints. So yeah. Hey, yo. Okay, why is the arrow right there? Bro. Okay, now we could go to the event graph. We could do this, oh wait, no, actually, no, I did that wrong. So, select your pawn sensing and do on C pawn. There you go, you see, on C pawn, pawn sensing. There we go. You're gonna do this, add variable on, is seeing, jeez, I'm so close to the mic. Okay, is seeing player. That, just keep it a boolean. We need a boolean. Okay, so we're gonna drag this in. You do set is seeing player. Okay, you connect that, check it. And we're going to do this, add custom. If you don't know what I just did, I right clicked on an empty space and then search up on, create custom, create event, custom, there we go, follow player. You can do this, follow player. Target is BP enemy AI. That's what I titled the chase monster. I could title it Niv, and it will say like target is Niv. Now you're gonna drag off of this, get a branch, put it like that, and go is seeing player, get is seeing player, and drag this into the condition. The reason why it's not set is seeing players because we already have this. Like if the pawn sees the player, it's gonna follow the player, and the custom event is seeing player. It wants to get, like, is it seeing player? It wants to get this, set it to this. So this, and if it actually is following the player, you're gonna move true, and then AI move to. God, this dumb hard drive. Jeez. Okay, so if it's true, then it's like, if it works, it, actually no. If you want it to follow the player, it's gonna move it to it. It's gonna move to it. If you don't want it to follow the player, then nothing's gonna happen. It's just not gonna follow it. So no AI move to. So if you want it to not, whatever. Let's just keep doing this. So drag off of pawn, and we're gonna need to get a reference to cell. Serious. Dude, Unreal Engine's never been laggy before. It's kind of weird. You could just do this. Get a reference to self. We just drag it off to pawn. That's another way. Or you could just do this. Now the target actor is get player controller. Get player controller. That's like who the player is. Oh, now we could do it. Get now reference to self. There we go. I just removed that just in case. Just in case that like overrides it or calls it something different. Okay, so now we are done with this. Now we can drag in our niv. I need to change the textures. I have the textures. Let me change that real quick. RQ. Change it to his body, and that is his head. No, his head. These are his eyeballs. There we go. Okay, so now make sure that mobility is set to movable, not static. That means it won't move. Stationary, no idea what that does. Set it to movable, so like whenever you go to it, it's gonna go. So for right now, it's not gonna have an animation, but don't worry, we're gonna add an animation. Of course we're gonna add an animation. Why wouldn't we add an animation? Now we're gonna do this little quickly add to the project. You can add like shapes like this cube right here. Like I just added a cube, but we're gonna do this. We're gonna go down here to volumes. You're gonna go to nav mesh bounds volume. This is like wherever you place this, that's its territory. So if you run into this area, it's gonna start chasing you. If you leave the area, it's gonna stop chasing you. You can also press P to see where it is. Oh yeah, and if you also like overlap this over a ramp like this. Hold on. Like this. And then we can just scale it. The nav mesh like this. See, it goes on the ramp, which is good. You can want that. That's nice. So I need to move the player start. Let me delete that. Position it over here so player start. There we go. So now if we do this, we run into this area, nothing is gonna happen. Oh wait, yeah, actually it's gonna happen. See, he's chasing me. But when I leave the area, he's not. But the thing is, when you enter the area back, he's not gonna chase you. I don't know how to fix that actually, but you saw it, right? Watch this. So like I enter his area. I have to like go inside of his line of sight. So I have to be in his line of sight, inside of the air. What did I just do? What? Oh my gosh, this is cool. What did I do? What the fart? I could see everything. Like there's the parkour. Wait a minute, there's Niv running up. Wait, no, that's Hellish Niv running up there. You see that? See ya? Oh? I think I fell out of the map. Oh, I did fall off the map. What did I do? Wait, did I press 1? Wait, is this like a command bar? What the frick? No, don't close that. Oh, F1. F2 F3. F4, like, removes all textures. 5. What? F6. You could do this in your project? That is fire. Can you also do that, like, in the editor? The hell? Oh, I guess you can't. Okay, so, he chases me. That's what you want, right? You want him to chase you. Now we're gonna get an animation for this little doodle hickey guy. So we're also gonna do this. We're gonna create a folder inside of our other folder called this AI. Open this. This is for our animation. So we're gonna do add animation blend space 1D. That does matter. Blend space 1D. And we're gonna select which one was he again? Was he standing? Wait, what was he? Wait, what was he? Wait, I forgot. Oh, wait, add the folder inside of content. Oops, sorry. Because that's where you have your stuff. We're gonna add animation blend space 1D. I wonder if that I don't think that did anything. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna move that back into Chase. Move here. Where was it? What was it? Injured? No, that's not injured run. That's just basic niv. Standing run forward. Okay, standing. Actually, wait, let's do this. Standing run forward. Just import him like this. Oh wait, but this is a different skeleton than what we've been using. Animation, blend, space 1D. Oh, we could just change the thing in here. Maybe just change it. Is this just a mesh? It doesn't really matter. Like that. Yeah, I just changed it. See? You could just delete this one. No, now we have the same skeleton. Yep, it still works. By the way, you can scale this to how big you want. Like that. Watch. See? You can scale it. Alright, I'm just gonna keep them like that. Okay, so we could go to AI. We could new blend space 1D. Since it has the same skeleton, we could just double click it. Now see, we have this. So now this is gonna be our animation process. Okay, so now in here we're gonna do standing run forward anim. We can drag that in here. There's his animation. That's it. That's all we need. That's all we need for the animation. We could click save. Let's do asset details, preview base. This is like an idle animation. Like if before it chases you, you could do an idle. I'm gonna probably do that. Okay, there we go. Now after you have done that, click the save button. Oh my god, this hard drive. Swear it's gonna drive me crazy. Close. Create a new animation blueprint. Select that skeleton. Since we only use one skeleton, this is the skeleton we're going to be using. Create. Let's just do BP underscore for blueprint. BP means blueprint. BP standing. Let's do niv. BP underscore niv. There we go. Now, see, this is going to be the output pose, like how the animation is going to work. So we're going to do the standing run forward anim. We could bring this in, plug it into results. Now it's not gonna work yet because we still need to do some stuff. Oh wait, we need the blend space. Whoopsie. Connect that. There we go. We needed the blend space. Promote to variable. So after we have done this, we do compile. There we go. His animation is gonna play. We do save, so we could close this. Oh wait, to actually make the animation play, I am stupid. Event graph. Let's do cast to. Okay, cast to BP underscore enemy AI. We could drag. Wait. There we go. What the? Stop freaking out. What do you need? No debug data. I don't want debug data. We could do this. We could do get character. Okay, guess not. Get character movement. Okay, character. Oh. Get character owner. We could delete this. Just snap those. Okay. Oh, I'm an idiot. You delete this. Hey, why are your animation not playing you? Oh, why do I have to compile that? Get character owner. That's right, you delete that. Let's get velocity. Turn that off. Oh wait, no, turn that back on. We could do get velocity under movement component, and then vector length. Vector length, and make sure it's connected to A. Okay, so now I'm gonna get none 0. I just didn't title it. Gonna get this. What is this title to? Dude, I'm such an idiot. Why can't I just do anything right? Set. Let me do this. Return value will connect to here. Okay, now we compile, and this should. There we go. I forgot to connect that. Okay, so now we can I think we just open this. You can also have those like that. You can move it. Okay, so we can go to viewport. You do animation blueprint. I think I did BP. Is it Nivniv? Yeah, it's Nivniv. Okay, we can move him down a little bit. There we go. So I didn't add an idle animation, of course. Okay, so if this doesn't work, no, I know how to fix it. So, okay, there's his animation. Now when he chases us, his animation plays. Yo, that's so sick. I could also make a jump scare for it if you guys want to know how to do that. But after the jump scare, it kind of just respawns you. But I'll do a jump scare in another video. So thank you guys for watching this video, and hope you have a good day and goodbye.